Xiaomi, a brand known worldwide for its smartphones, made a bold leap into the electric vehicle EV market with the unveiling of its first electric car, the Speed Ultra SU7. In just 24 hours after its launch, the SU7 garnered an astonishing 89,000 pre-orders, demonstrating the high demand for Xiaomi's newest product. However, eager buyers will have to wait approximately 6 months to get their hands on the vehicle, as the company announced a waiting period of 27 weeks due to the overwhelming response. Priced at an attractive $29,900, the SU7 is Xiaomi's entry into the highly competitive EV market, positioning itself as a potential rival to major players like Elon Musk's Tesla and BYD, China's own electric vehicle leader. Xiaomi's CEO, Lei Jun, expressed confidence in the product, suggesting that the car's price point, combined with its advanced tech integration, would appeal to consumers, especially those already familiar with the Xiaomi ecosystem. The SU7's connectivity features, which seamlessly link with Xiaomi smartphones, laptops, and other smart devices, could set it apart from competitors and generate significant consumer interest in the burgeoning EV sector. Despite Xiaomi's remarkable debut in the electric vehicle space, the global EV market faces challenges. Interest in electric cars has plateaued in some regions, and companies are engaged in a fierce price war to maintain market share. Tesla recently slashed its prices, and BYD followed suit, intensifying competition. Yet Xiaomi's strategy seems different. By offering smart device integration and tapping into the existing loyalty of its tech-savvy consumers, Xiaomi aims to carve out a niche in a crowded field. The initial production of Xiaomi's electric vehicles will take place at the Chinese state-owned BAIC Group's factory in Beijing. This facility has the capacity to produce 200,000 cars annually, underscoring Xiaomi's ambitious plans for mass production. The company has also announced a staggering $10 billion investment over the next decade to cement its place in the automotive industry. Industry experts are already comparing the SU7 to luxury models like Porsche's sports cars, elevating its status as a high-performance vehicle. Xiaomi, however, faces significant competition both locally and globally. Companies like Tesla and BYD continue to innovate, and other Chinese manufacturers are fiercely vying for dominance in the rapidly growing electric vehicle market. In fact, the landscape is so competitive that Apple recently postponed its plans to release an electric vehicle, a decision some analysts attribute to concerns about market reception outside of China. Bill Russo of Automobility, a car market analysis company, commented on Xiaomi's decision to enter the EV market, calling it a bold and strategic move. Xiaomi's confidence in its brand is undeniable, Russo said, adding that this launch underscores the company's belief in its ability to compete in China's mature EV market, which benefits from widespread battery supply and a growing number of charging stations. While the global car market remains fiercely competitive, with companies like BYD reporting mixed results and other manufacturers scaling back production, Xiaomi's entry has certainly created a buzz. With its focus on affordability, innovation, and smart technology integration, Xiaomi is positioning itself to challenge established giants like Tesla in the race for EV dominance. The next few months will be critical for Xiaomi as it begins to fulfill the massive backlog of orders. The 6-month waiting period may frustrate some customers, but the buzz generated by the SU7's launch proves that Xiaomi is more than ready to take on the EV industry. We hope you found this content insightful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more engaging and informative videos. We can't wait to see you in the next video.